This is the kimiso km-s2 Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it has lights in the front as well as LED display to show if it's connected or not, or whether it's on radio or using, well, the various modes rather. At the back you have the inputs, DC 5-volt charger and the C3 style, but you know, still not upgraded yet. And on and off switch, thumb drive slash USB, the aux and the mic, and TF slash memory chip port. On the top of it you have the buttons, the mode, intake and switch it,
FM mode,
FM mode,
Bluetooth mode,
the Bluetooth mode. This is the switch. You have the light one. You can switch the light if you want it on. They all change colors rather, or off. See there. This is the volume up and down button connected, so you can see. So I can connect it. It's connected. Yes, has a pretty decent volume. Well, I think so, anyways. See, volume is quite decent, not too bad. Volume button has the EQ on it to change the loudness of it as well. In my viewpoint, because I don't see how it change anything other than that. Just the EQ to just give an extra oomph, or should I say bass.
Man, at the rest I died. Nation.
Yeah, like how the light switches every now and then, probably around every 5 seconds or something like that. I'm not certain. I'd say I haven't gone in depth on that part. Yeah, and the forward button is on it, play and back as well. Kind of decent speaker, you know, something to just make a little noise at your head. So that's the Kimiso km-s2 Bluetooth speaker. I'll let the review. Not bad.